The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Shawano County in northeastern Wisconsin, Menominee County in northeastern Wisconsin, Oconto County in northeastern Wisconsin, until 8:30 a.m. At 6:58 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Crandon to 7 miles east of Antigo to near Wausau, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wittenberg around 7:20 a.m. Mountain around 7:25 a.m. Neopit around 7:35 a.m. Kirchner around 7:45 a.m. Shawano around 7:50 a.m. Oconto and Legend Lake around 7:55 a.m. Pulaski around 8:10 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Shipley, Boulder Lake Campground, Townsend, College of Menominee Nation, Pella, Sobieski, Zor, Stiles, Navarino, and Abrams. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Menominee, Oconto, and Shawano.